Yeah, so we are going to validate our model. So if you right click here and you go to ArcGIS validate, you will have this result here. For example, the, they show uh, 3 errors and 1 warning. So you have to fix all the errors and all the warnings uh, before you export your XML file. Yeah, in this exercise, we will correct these errors and warnings, and we will export the XML file. We will also generate a document. We will generate documentation for all this we are building here. We will also try to import data in our Geodatabase in ArcGIS Pro. Yes. Uh, so I start with this, the first warning here. Uh, we have created object class named customer, and this object class is defined with feature dataset package. Yeah, they suggest us to move it to a non-feature dataset. That is quite simple. Yeah, we have to identify our customer. Here you have, yeah, we have to delete this because we don't need it anymore. But this object class here should go to object class. Yeah, and now it is fixed. Okay, so if you revalidate the model, you will see that we don't have warning anymore. Okay, no warning. We only have 2 errors, and the error here it's about this a relationship. We didn't define the the primary key and foreigner key. So I double click. I want to see the relationship. Yeah, it is linked to. Okay, gas meter and customer. Yeah, I have to define the relationship, the primary key and foreigner key for this relationship. So I double click on it, and I will go to tag. Okay, I select. So remember we have gas meter to customer. So I will define the primary key. The primary key is in gas meter. Yeah, it should be meta ID. Okay. Yeah, meta ID, gas meter. We have meta ID, and the foreigner key should be in our object class named customer, and you should have here meta ID foreigner key. Okay, so that's good. Um, Now, if you revalidate, we should have no error, and yeah, you should have no error and no warnings. Let's check. Yeah, you have now no errors and no warnings. Now we can export our XML. Yeah, if you want, you can generate the document first. Yeah, as you want. So to generate the document, you go to publish, document, generate documentation. Yeah, let's say we want to generate the documentation for this ArcGIS workspace. Okay, I will put it in a specific folder. Yeah, I generated using this template here. I generate a Word document. Yeah, you can have a look at all these. But if you want to generate the document for the whole model, you just select this, but it will take time. And for this time, we don't need it. We just need the document for ArcGIS workspace. Yeah, then you click on generate. Okay, it is generating the document. Yeah, for your ArcGIS workspace. And yeah, it should be done in a moment. So done. If you want, you can view the document. Okay. Yeah. Now you have the document here. Yeah, you can, so yeah, you can now read the document here. Uh, yeah, with all the so yeah, you have all explanation here. Okay, and it also made the screenshots. Let's say, yeah. So illustrations and explanation, but you have to fill in all this information. You have to fill in comments, means notes and so on, so that they may appear um, in your document. So this one is our feature diagram. Yeah, and here you have this one is the topology. Yeah, this is our topology. Okay, topology, and it explains all the topology. Okay, now you have, yeah, you should also have these domains. Okay, yes, you should also have uh, the projected coordinate system that you have defined. Yeah, you remember we defined this projected coordinate system. Okay, that's all. So, okay, we have generated the document. Okay, now we want to export our XML document, and we will read it in ArcGIS Pro. So I'm going to open ArcGIS Pro. Okay, and it is opening. Okay. So I will export the XML file. For this, I right click on the workspace extension, ArcGIS. Um, then I go to export the ArcGIS workspace XML. I choose ArcGIS. Yeah, I will choose the where I want to store this. So now I want to put it in Geodatabase. Let's say it's inside here. Okay, I want to overwrite the existing one, so I click on OK. Then yeah, I click on export. I can view my XML. Yeah, so I can open it inside Enterprise Architect, but uh, I would like to open it in. This is our. This one is our yeah. This is our XML, so I can open it in Studio Code. Okay, yeah, can open it in Visual Studio Code, and you can see that all the domains we have been creating and all the features are listed here, and you can see that it's a big, very big document. So this is our geodatabase. Now we are going to read it uh, in ArcGIS Pro. For that, I open ArcGIS Pro. I create a new map. Okay, with this new version of ArcGIS Pro, uh, when you create a new map, it creates also the let's say the geodatabase. Okay, so I'll name it gas distribution. Let's say final project. Okay, I want now to save it. I will save it here in the same folder. Okay, same folder. Geodatabase. Click on OK, and I click on OK. All right. So good. So if I go to view and catalog view, I will see the geodatabase here. Okay, I see the geodatabase here. I want to import whether features, but these features I want to import. So I can import feature class. I can also import tables, but I will do this using the XML workspace document. Yes. In our XML document, we only it's a keymer, only a keymer. So uh, I will click on import keymer only. Okay. So I will select the XML. It is inside the GIS course, Geodatabase. Okay. Final, final project. No, is it in Geodatabase? Yeah, it's inside here. So I click on OK. You can see that. Uh, so if you click on next, you will see all the tables. Yeah, the type here, tables, feature class, and the relationships and the domains. Yeah, okay. There I click on finish and I have error. Okay, the error is the domain was not found. So I'm going to fix this error. Okay, and after that I will import again. Okay, we are going to fix it together.